Okay, I have a question. What can you tell me about Mac customization? Yeah, you can change the wallpapers, set up some widgets on the right side of your screen, choose the light or dark theme, and at first glance, that's all, right? Of course not. So, today we'll show you how you can customize your Apple laptop at all. Almost all features can be changed in one way or another. Watch this video till then and click this little like button, just in advance. Okay, at first let's take a look at standard customization features. You all know how to change the wallpaper, the screensaver, but maybe you don't know that you can change the mouse pointer. Go to System Settings, Accessibility, Display, and here you can set the pointer size, outline color, and yeah, the fill color. Just click on this color palette and choose the color that you really want. Congratulations, you just make your first step in world of customization, but that's not enough. And now let's set a custom icon for your folders. This is so easy, you don't need any additional software for this step. Just select the folder you need, then press Command+I, click on the folder's thumbnail, and now you need to copy your PNG file and paste it right here. Just copy and just paste. And now you can close this window and repeat this step as much as you want. Now, if you're really aesthetic user and want more from your design solution, you can make a custom background for your folder. I can't say that I make these every time when I create a folder, but this tip can be interesting for some people. So click on the right mouse button, then show view options, and here you can choose any color or a background image. And now if you open your Finder with icons layout, the background will change. Okay, what else can we do in terms of visual customization? The bigger or smaller fonts, dark or light theme, bigger or smaller dock, of course you know all about it. But at this moment, we'll move on to the additional apps. And here is the most interesting part, so like this video, let's not waste a second. First, let's take a look at custom widgets on your desktop. All you need is a superhero app. You can customize every feature of your widgets. Create calendars, clocks, reminders, etc. And the cool feature is that you don't need to swipe from right to left or go to the notification center. All you need is to create widgets on the entire desktop. Okay, this app is not free, but its functionality is something awesome, you know? So I don't see any reasons to ignore it. Next, if you want some advanced features from your Mac, you can see the battery status of all of your devices that are connected to your laptop via Bluetooth. For this kind of life hack, all you need is to install an app named Batteries. This little utility replaces the basic battery status from your status bar to the absolutely the same, but with some advantage. Now you can click on it and see all of the connected devices. And that's not all. You can set up notifications, for example, for your iPhone. When its battery is almost discharged, you will receive a notification about it. And it's so useful if you, like me, always forget to charge your phone or any other devices. And now, do you really like standard pack of wallpapers on Mac? I do, but you know, year after year, Apple does not update this list of pictures. I should say even more, in the last Ventura update, they added only one picture. Yeah, it's cool, beautiful, but just one image, Apple. Guys, you can use any apps that allows you to download any wallpapers, but why do you need to do that if you can support me and download wallpapers that I created? It's cool, minimalistic, and also has colorful pictures in 4K resolution that makes your laptop, PC, or even smartphone 2 or 3, no, 4 times better. So go to my Gumroad and there you can make some donation for me and download a pack of 6 awesome pictures. And each customer will see their name in the next video as appreciation, you know? So follow the link below and get my wallpapers. And we'll move on. What else can we do with our Macs, you ask me? For example, add some dividers to the dock panel for some kind of groups with any apps or something like that. For this step, you need to open terminal and paste these commands. After that, just move some apps here. If you want more, repeat this command as many times as you really want. Actually, I don't really like when my dock on my Mac is really huge and terrible. Therefore, I even disabled recently apps in the settings, but if you want, you can make so. And now time for Wamsy's life hack. If you like me, take tons of screenshots every day, I think your desktop looks like this. To avoid this, you can make a smart folder on the Finder sidebar for easy and fast access to them. Just open your Finder, then click File, New Smart Folder, and now you need to set some rules for it. So you can choose the kind of files. In this scenario, I choose an image, and in the name section, we need to type a screenshot. And boom! Now we have one place where we have access to all of the screenshots on your Mac. For better experience, you can add this folder in the dock section or in the sidebar, you know. And here another life hack, not about the visual setting, but user experience. If you're using your Mac without any external mouse, maybe you know next tip, but I need to tell you that you can customize your trackpad options. And the most interesting thing, that you can make drag and drop feature more comfy. All you need is to go into accessibility, trackpad options, and here check use trackpad for dragging. And in dragging style, select the with drag lock option. And now you don't need to put your finger on a trackpad all the time when you need to replace some files or something like that. Just make 2 taps and swipe. And now you can remove your finger from the trackpad and then continue dragging the file or window. It is a really cool feature that I actually want to see in Windows laptop. Now I need to tell you about status bar. I don't know about you, but for me, when I installed many apps, the status bar starts looking like, you know, many icons on it are really terrible. So for the status bar, I installed the hidden bar app. Just move annoying apps into this section, press this button, and yes, the status bar starts looking more and more convenient. And now, if you are using your MacBook in a clamshell mode, you need to take care about battery life status. Because working with a Mac when it's charging and charging all of the time is a really bad idea. So I have another cool app that can make limits for charging battery in percent. Just set 80% and your MacBook will be charged to this limit. And after, your computer will run on mains power, ignoring the battery charging. And what else? What else can we do with our Macs? So many things, but the last one is to make your screenshots more and more beautiful. Just install the app called 𝐒𝐿𝐿 and there set up the visual style of your screenshots. Here you can make a colorful background, make rounded borders, add some shadow, and then with this hotkey combination you can make really beautiful screenshots. So now I really want that you'll subscribe to my channel. After all, give this video a thumbs up and make sure to write comments down below. Have a good day and see you soon.